Locksmith Belleville, New Jersey can remedy any locksmith need without hesitation. Our techs are so immeasurably confident in their ability to solve your problems, whether they are a business lockout or you find that your club is practically glued to your steering wheel. If you happen to be locked out of your business, just call us up at any hour of the day. You can be a boss or an employee. It doesn't matter to us. Our staff will be more than glad to help any customer. And in addition to that, if you find out that you lost your lock to your club and the saw in your trunks is starting to look very tempting, let our professionals stop you from doing something foolish. We can open up your club lock with no damage done. So call us at Locksmith Belleville, New Jersey, 201-706-7087.